which will be starting by Professor Vineet Yesinha and Dr. Vilas M. Thakre on evaluation of network security on basis of virtualization techniques in Kali Linux environment. Professor Vineet Yesinha, Vilas M. Thakre.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Kindly share the screen and you can present.
Yes. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
So is my screen is visible, sir?
Yes, it's visible. The time is exactly 10 minutes. I request you to proceed.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So, good morning, respected one and my participant colleague. Today I, Vineet Sinha, discuss the evolution of the network security on basis of virtualization technique in Kali Linux environment. So before going on discuss, let us brief some of our biodata. So I, Vineet Sinha, had the 13 years of teaching experience and 1 year of industry, and my guide, Dr. Vilas M. Thakre, have the professor and HOD in computer science, which he has more than 35 years in a teaching experience. So let's start with the today, that is after of this thing. So in today's area, that is cyber area, am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Please proceed.
In today's cyber world, network security has a main glance view, which can be strongly supported by open source platform. So as a Linux background, we just use a Kali Linux for the evaluation purposes. Kali Linux used by many security specialists for handling network security, as it contains more than 360 security tools. We track implementation of KVM, which is kernel-based virtualization machine, using 3 virtualization techniques. So Word Manager, Kimchi Project, and SDN, that is a software-defined network. And further, we discuss the advantages of these techniques. As an operating system, play important role for providing the platform to application software and interactive to the hardware with user. So it is necessary to change the fruitful approach of using operating system by implementation of virtualization. In our evaluation, we use Kali because it supports the specially virtual file system to get fully facility of virtualization. So this is the virtualized architecture. So as shown in the figure, virtualization architecture overcomes a traditional approach of the architecture. So Kali Linux have the particular feature regarding this thing. So here, as seen in the diagram, the hardware which is implemented by the operating system and the application in traditional world. But in virtualization, because of a virtualization layer, the OS can provide a separate resources to the applications. So as they provide in terms of the memory and the storage space. Can move to the Kali Linux architecture. So from previous sections of virtual architecture, here we discuss the Kali Linux. So kernel space and user space, which is divided in the 2 parts, that is kernel space and user space. And they both are connected in a bidirectional approach by using the system call. Furthermore, this architecture extends to the networking sites, which link up to a device driver, file system, virtual file system, and all these modules have separated communication link from memory management and the process management. So this is brief about the Kali Linux. Then, as we discussed, that is Kali Linux have a strong approach regarding the network security. So network security and virtualization have the strong bond for implementation of these 3 virtual techniques, that is Virtual Manager, Kimchi Project, and SDN. So we discuss this thing one by one. Word Manager, it is one of the branches of LibVirt API, that is Application Programming Interface. It works with a Vercel, OpenStack, and other virtual parent, that is OVER. It is recommended by new users who are trying to open a VPI or virtual manager applications at the basic level. So one drawback of is that it requires a GUI environment. It is recommended to be installed on workstation or the test machine instead of the server machine. It is unstable whenever used with the older version of an operating system. That is the main strong drawback of this virtual manager. It works with the KVM, LXC, OpenVZ, UML, and Zen server. Then we move forward to the next, that is Kimchi techniques. So it is a HTML based technique which based on primary, that is NGINX, this is a web application server. It uses a pluggable authentication module for authenticating users for letting them work as a root level. It is very effective techniques to list out all the guest virtual machine defined on host. Kimchi works with both CUI and GUI pattern. It had two main base, that is libvirt for the GUI purpose and Ginger base for a CUI, which is used for the host management plugin. And the main drawback of this thing is it is based on web-based techniques. Each time web server NGINX takes matter for proper configuration. Otherwise, it can be reverted to the slow speed. And the last, that is the software-defined network. Software-defined network, it is a very cost-effective virtualization architecture, which mainly based on the open source protocol, which is a fundamental element of this, which have a separate network control and a forward network techniques, which became programmable. And the main that is not severe that drawback is that for SDN configuration train staff needed, as it is somewhat has some complex pattern, and it is a single point of failure drawback it has it is a centralized thing. So then we just moved over the result and evaluation. For evaluation of this technique, we use a virtual box having the version 6.1.18 and the Hox VPN, the version is 3.11 on Linux environment. By installing virtual techniques according to the version wise and desired software, we scale their factor as 0 to 3, 3 to 6, and 6 to 10. And finding in this category basis on the hardware support, software support, and the version update support. So as per the shown in the diagram, the SDN have the quite effective applications over the Work Manager and Kimchi project. The last, we conclude that in this paper, we studied different virtualization techniques and evaluate their performance on KVM-based system. The whole evaluation is supported by Kali Linux with virtual file system. In future, we focus on SDN because it has a weak point of single point attack by deploying various security scripts at the kernel level. And it can be recovered if we plan some security technique or security scripts which is compiled in the Python. So that's all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Professor Vineet.
Yes, sir.
Your the paper is related to the area network security and using Kali Linux. Just a basic question I'd like to ask you: what motivated you to use this platform of Kali Linux? Because network security and why virtualizations and all are related to Kali Linux, and what is your motivation? Why do you have any other alternatives other than this Kali Linux, or do you find any meager this one advantage by using this Kali Linux?
So firstly, that Kali Linux is used for basically penetration testing. It have the very widely security tools, and it have the special kind of file system which supports by VFS, that is virtual file system, and it is deftly used in another operating system purposes. So that's why we are using this Kali Linux. And as we install the pre-installed tools which are configured already, so there is no wastage of time for configuring the tools previously, then use it later on. And as virtualization, we focus on the virtualization as if you upload a web server on particular kind of system like Ubuntu or Windows, so it has some strong issue like in Windows anyone can penetrate in the Windows, and and Ubuntu, we have to configure it first. But in Kali Linux, the pre-installed software helps us to pre-configure the virtualization, and it is very difficult to penetrate that virtualized system because host is already protected in the Kali, and guest is we can protect this type of techniques. That is the 3 techniques.
Yeah. Good. And you have explained the 3 approaches: virtual manager and Kimchi and HDN. Right? You have clearly explained what happens in what and what are the drawbacks of each of these three approaches. Right? Can you please elaborate on the implementation part of providing the network security related to your paper using these approaches?
So by implementation, we first install the VirtualBox in our Kali Linux. Then by providing the another operating system, we can use any kind of operating system like Windows or Linux. Then by installing the Virtual Manager, that is a version first. That is, for example, Virtual Manager 3.2, we are installing first. It requires the 1.28 of the libVRT API. Then by creating the number of virtual machines, like we first create a 1 and 2. Then we use the Kimchi 3.0 project, which required a Ginger-based plugin for the web application server. And lastly, we installing the SDN, which have the open flow protocol and OpenVSDB, that is Open vSwitch. And then we calculate on the basis of our scale factors of their implementation.
And emphasis on providing the network security.
Yes, sir. If you go for the DHCP and DNS, in these 2 cases, the Kali Linux provide the DHCP has the sound protocols of the IP addresses. So we just configure DHCP on the virtual machine, so the number of clients can connect to the server, and which quite hardening to detect a particular intruder. Hardening for the intruder to detect a particular host on the system.
Any specific ideas?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Professor, there is one more query. Can you tell how do you measure the performance? Apart from scaling factor, are you having any performance metrics?
Actually, ma'am, we are just installing this number of techniques, and when we get a virtual, we just check the performance by the RAM occupation and the hard disk storage occupation, and what is the speed of that application running on the system when we installing these 3 different techniques. On that basis, we are calculating this performance.
Okay. In future, how do you plan to enhance the kernel support?
So by implementing the kernel, first we just go for the Debian kernel, because Kali and the Ubuntu has the same category Debian. We just first editing the Ubuntu kernel system, then try to implement, try to compile it, and if it get the success for the security to the center point of view of the SDN, then we implement as another Kali Linux.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for both the session chairs for the valuable inputs, and thank you so much for the presenter. I request the next participant, Mr.